How to fix apps not working in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update, and here enter your password to now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. Now go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here you can enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.